Trading psychology, how to handle losses. It was a fateful day when some internet guru popped up on your screen. His video promising that you can make thousands of dollars in less than 30 minutes every day. And all of that with just a simple click of your button. You just came home from your job, exhausted, stressed out, and most likely underpaid. So not only did you watch his video, but by the end of it you felt the need to follow the link to his website, where he offered a course for $2,000. You chose not to buy it yet. You figured if I can make those $2,000 on my own from the markets, then I will invest them into this course. And that didn't work out at all. Sometime after your third blown account, you gave in. Already down $6,000, you decided now it's time to finally buy this course. After learning and setting up everything it thought, you figured, now is the time. This time, it's for real. You refunded your account, and at first, it really looked like it was going to work. But just 3 days later, all starts to fall apart again. This cannot happen. This can't be real. How could I fall for this scam? Are going through your mind while you panic and overtrade until you have blown your fourth account. Now, you are 4 months in and invested a total of $10,000. And what do you have to show for it? Nothing. You think about quitting, start calling yourself stupid, pray to a higher power to save you from this situation, but in the end, you have invested so much money. It simply has to work out. Somehow. This is the sunken cost fallacy, born out of a place of need. At first, you needed the free time and wealth that the guru promised you. Now you need to regain your losses. And you need it fast. Because your bank account has taken a big hit for perhaps the first time in your life. The cycle continues again and again until you can't do it anymore. Broken and beaten, you finally decide that trading is BS and you quit it forever. So, the question of today's video is, how do you avoid this fate? What you first need to realize is that every trade can be a loser. And every trader has losses, no matter how good his strategy might be. The trick is to have a high win rate. This is how they stay profitable. And the real wealth comes from those occasional runners that happen every once in a while. This is the reality of day trading. At first, we advise you to watch our very first video, if you haven't yet. Most people think that this information is of no significance. But those are the people that will never find long-term profitability. So, do yourself a favor and watch it. Then come back here. In short, it teaches you how to find your risk and how to apply it. Only after doing that, you have a real chance in the markets. Let's go back to the last account you have blown. The strategy seemed to work until that one day where it didn't. What happened after that loss? Did your next trades really fill the requirements for the strategy? Did you even try to do the strategy? Or did you just revenge trade? Hopping in, getting stopped again and again, while screaming at the screen to please just make it work out. This is not the mindset you should be in while trading. In fact, you should have no emotional investment whatsoever. What you should have done is accept that this trade or this day ended up red. Don't cry about it. Don't curse it. Accept it. Feel nothing. Just turn off your screen and return tomorrow. And when you do, and the next trade that actually follows your strategy turns out to be a winner again, you do the same. Don't cheer. Don't celebrate. You feel nothing. You don't care. It is best to learn this mentality while trading on a paper account. It gets way harder to keep it while going in with your real money, but you need to keep it. Only then will the positive results from the demo continue with your live account. Here is a famous quote: "Trading is a quick way to become poor and a slow way to become rich." What this basically means is you have to let go of your need. You don't need to be a millionaire by the end of the year. You don't need it to pay off quickly. Trading will only work out for you once you start trusting the slow progress of things. You should only risk what you can afford to lose. And if you can't afford to lose, then you should acquire some money first while testing your strategy out on the demo account. Because the markets won't lift people out of poverty, but make wealthy people rich. Before letting you go, there is another quote that you should consider every time you place a trade. And this one doesn't come from the trading world, but from fiction. The Jedi Code, from Star Wars. There is no emotion. There is peace. There is no ignorance. There is knowledge. There is no passion. There is serenity. There is no chaos. There is harmony. There is no death. There is the force. There is no emotion. There is peace. There is no emotion. There is peace. There is no emotion. There is peace.